Now, president of the MVP Track and Field Club and organizer of the Velocity Fest track meet, Bruce James, says the meet has paved the way for others abroad in terms of ensuring their athletes return to competition safely. The series, which represents the first set of track and field events to be staged locally since COVID-19 was first detected on the island in March, has had 5 meets completed so far.
One of the things that we find interesting is that other countries, having seen what we have done, have reached out and said, okay, they're going to start separating their athletes by lanes or sanitizing blocks or implements. So it's good to know that what we have done here in Jamaica is actually now being replicated by other countries globally.
In the meantime, no Velocity Fest meet will be held this weekend, and it's unclear whether more events will be held in the series. James told TVJ Sports that they have not received sponsorship for the series and wouldn't be staging any more events unless some sponsorship is secured. The 2 most recent meets held last weekend were the first to allow spectators and the media. Uganda's Joshua Cheptegei highlighted the Monaco Diamond League meeting of the Diamond League season, which has been shortened due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Elsewhere on the night,